well then you go with your daddy.
Hey Megan, you gotta
come all the way down here to work every day and then you go with your daddy.
Pull it, candy. Mommy will go with you. Hold your hand. Alright.
It's a video camera.
Here's your bag, Megan. Here's your bag. You gotta put your Easter eggs in this bag. Here. Here.
It is nice. It has a USB.
Evelyn already has one.
And it plugs right into your computer and it's high
These are for
definition.
their eggs. And you have a basket for your eggs.
So I'm gonna put it on YouTube and send Miss Corey a link.
Turn on your listening ears. Turn them on. Alright. We got some Easter eggs out here, okay? And we're going to go hunt for them, and we're going to find them, and we're going to put them down in our basket. Wait just a second. We're not going to open them and eat the candy just yet, okay? We may have some candy in just a few minutes. Let's not...
I want the football.
The football? Well, there's some out there. So you got to find them. They're hiding. They're hiding. So listen, let's not push and shove our friends, okay? Everybody's going to get some Easter eggs, okay?
Okay.
Using walking feet. Come to the gate. Come to the gate using walking feet.
Hey guys, whenever we get our Easter,
wait.
we're gonna open our Easter eggs tonight when we get home.
Yeah, we're gonna
they do have some candy in there.
Okay.
So y'all can open them up with Mommy and Daddy.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Hello? I haven't called him yet. I'm gonna call him here shortly. I haven't called him yet. Let me call you back later on. My little boy's having an Easter party right now. Okay, all right, bye. No problem, bye-bye. Can you get that? What is your bag? What is your bag? Okay, let's go look. Let's go look. Look, come here, Evelyn. Look at that one right there. See that? Put it in your bag. Come here, Evelyn.
Look, Alex, there's a blue egg. You want to go get it? Get the blue egg. Pick it up and put it in your bag. No, we're not eating the candy right now.
Why?
Because you want to put it in your bag. We'll eat the candy. Miss Corey said we'll eat the candy after school. We'll save it for after school. Okay? Go find some eggs. Gotta go find more eggs.
Alright, you see more? Look.
It's on the swings.
Look, there's some up here. Go get them. Go get them.
Is there another one? Which one? Good job, Ava.
Alex.
Alright, Ava, come down.
You want one? We can find one.
You don't see one? Okay. I see some over here, John. Do you see one over here? Maybe over here. Yay! No, that's John. John's got that one. Come on. There's still more. I'm sure there's still more.
Come here, Evelyn.
Let's go look somewhere.
Evelyn.
And the best.
Come on, let's look. There's some more here, Miss Corey.
There is no more up here. I don't know where these
Okay.
We hit a lot. Come here, Tina. Let's just stand over here. Stand over here. She's stand over here. Do you see any more? I don't either. We had a lot. I don't know what happened to them all. Hey, Ela.
There's a lot of
Is there one
kids.
over there?